Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm not going to call this part 2, but somebody watched this video. It's only been out a couple hours, and they've noticed I've started, and they must watch a lot of my videos, and they said they noticed I've started using this gold. Well, the gold isn't in my screen, and so I have to scroll down to get the gold. They asked, could you put it up top? Could you put it visible? And the answer is, I don't know how. I don't think you can just move a color. Well, you can. Look at that. I don't know if we can move that far, but the other way I was going to suggest, how far can you move it? And there it is right there. So you could put it by your yellow. So you could move a color, and then you would want to save it as default. But the other way I was thinking about doing it, let's move another color that I use sometimes. And this is how I was thinking about doing it, and you could actually make your own color. I'm going to fill that in with, I'm going to make my own color. Now that my gold's gone from down here, I'm going to make that color. Might not ever use it. It's kind of like an orange. But I'm going to also show you how, if you hold down your control button, you can add and make it lighter. So we can hold down the control button and you make it lighter. So now we got a light peach color. And if you just take it, and I'm trying to take away that line. I don't guess that'll matter. Just take it and just move it over to your palette and look at this and put it between. So now I've got a peach colored deal. I also got a 100% black. That's 90. Somehow I got my black moved. So this is almost a good lesson for me to move my black up there. So now I have, two of my new colors. Well, one of them is the gold, but I don't have to move down. I'll just pick that gold. And then if I want that, I don't even know where that light, it's almost a tan. It's next to a peach or a pink. So I'm not sure I'll even keep that, but I love having the gold there. Matter of fact, normally your red would be somewhere like up in here, and I like that gold being there. But matter of fact, I'm going to separate it so it kind of stands out from that purple. And then I'm going to go to, I don't know if this is 100% correct. I'm going to go to Tools and Save as Default and have all these things saved. And those colors should be saved the next time I open a new page. Whoop, that actually said CMYK, but my gold's still there. So I'm going to close that page. I don't mind answer this question and go RGB and my bed size and my dots per inch. I don't mind that. I used to not like that, but I got so used to it's just one click. But anyway, next time you want to, I've got a lot of files open. Next time you want to make a color or move a color, and also, if you used a color in your document, if we did that and I made a star, I didn't have my gold up here, but I've already used it, I could go down here to my document. These are ones I've used recently. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and I'm really glad he inspired me to make a video on that because I think it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching.